Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add friends in Critical Ops. Adding friends in Critical Ops enhances your gaming experience by allowing you to team up, strategize, and enjoy matches together. First of all, open the Critical Ops application on your device and from the main homepage, click on the human icon at the top right corner right beside the gear button. This will take you to your Friends tab, where you need to enter your friend's name in the search box and search. Once you find the person in the search result, tap on the little plus icon right next to the person's name on the right corner in order to send them the friend request. Repeat this step for every other person you'd like to add, and then, once they accept your friend request, you can invite them to your party. Once they accept your friend request, they'll be listed over here under the Friends tab. So that's how you can easily add friends in Critical Ops in just a couple of minutes. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.